Hi there, my name is Sanook from Midtronics and welcome to this unboxing video of the MSP-070 power supply charger. The Midtronics MSP-070 provides clean, reliable power for charging and maintaining battery state of charge during ECU/service reflash events, extended maintenance and on the showroom floor events. And in this video we will show you what comes inside of the box. So let's start opening it. Always be careful opening the box. You do not want to damage anything, so just be careful. There we go. Inside of the box you will always find a power cord. Now this can come in two sizes, in 3 meter cord or a 5 meter long cord. In this case I have a 5 meter long cord. And you will always find a charging cable. This one can come in three sizes, 2 meters, 3 meters and 5 meters. I think this one is a 3 meter one. You'll of course always find a guide. So we always advise you to go through the guide before you handle any of our products. So there's no difference in this one. Go through it. And then of course you will have the MSP itself. Now the dimensions of the MSP are: it has a height of 3.40 inch, a width of 10.24 inch and a length of 15.35 inch. Now on one side of the MSP you can find the output for the power cord and the on and off switch, along with the coils to keep the MSP cool enough. On the other side you can find the output for the charging cable with locking clips, which will come in handy, and the switches to set the MSP to the correct voltage. You will also find the circuit breaker on this side. On the bottom you will find a serial number in case you need to send the MSP for service. Now some additional features of the MSP are: selectable constant voltages of 13.2 or 13.6 and 14.4 VDC, field replaceable cables, dynamic fan control for quiet operation, circuit breaker for DC output protection, input surge protection, power factor correction and reverse polarity protection. What is great about this design is that it has an integrated carrying handle, so you can easily move it around, and it's not that heavy honestly. And because of its low profile you can comfortably put it under a vehicle and have it out of sight. And this was the unboxing video of the MSP-070 power supply charger. If you want to see a demonstration about how the tool works, there will be a link right over here. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us through our website. We hope this video was useful and we'll see you on the next one.
Midtronics. We will get you there.